Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent price of the Ankr coin. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Guys, at this time, my friends, the changes of the Ankr coin. I'm talking about this time. I mean the latest last 5 to 10 minute update. So my friends, at this time the latest update is going wrong, but never lose hope. Now in this time a lot of people message me, but my friends, I recommend for all of you to please hold, please hold, please hold, don't lose hope. Guys, at this time the price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.096857 USD dollar. And on the other hand, you can see here that the last 1 hour change is negative 2.55%. But my friend, that's not mean. I know that it is time that Ankr coin price is down, but don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. After funds, there is a jump. Remember that is a common rules of the cryptocurrencies market. So never decide to sell. Just hold. You can see, my friends, that previous last 1 week. In August month is a profitable month of Ankr coin. From the 1st August and still the price of Ankr coin is positive. So that's why I really recommend you for all of you to please invest now in Ankr coin. Anyways, what is your opinion about Ankr coin? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.